Ever lost an important file and wished you could get it back? Today I'll show you exactly how to save your documents and files to OneDrive, so they're not only protected from accidents like a computer crash, but you can access them from literally anywhere. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have 3 easy methods for saving files to OneDrive under your belt, using Microsoft Office, File Explorer, and the OneDrive website or app. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about saving directly from a Microsoft Office application like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. This is one of the simplest ways, especially if you're already working in your document and want to make sure it's stored safely in the cloud. Go ahead and open the file you're working on. Now head up to the File menu, look for that tab in the upper left. Click it, and you'll see the option for Save As, or sometimes it'll say Save a Copy. Either works. Both allow you to choose exactly where your file will go. When the Save dialog pops up, you'll notice a list of locations. Among these, you'll see OneDrive or OneDrive Personal. Click on that. If you haven't signed into your Microsoft account yet, it'll ask you to do that here. Just enter your email and password, the same ones you use for Windows or Office, so it can connect OneDrive to your account. Now you'll see your OneDrive folders appear. Maybe you already have a spot in mind, like documents or projects, or you can hit Browse to navigate around. Take a moment and choose a specific folder. Having a system here comes in handy later, especially if you're someone who works on different computers or needs to grab a file from your phone. Type in a file name that makes sense. You want to be able to find it later, right, and hit Save. That's it, the file is now backed up to OneDrive automatically. If you ever open this document elsewhere, you'll always have the latest version. For the second method, imagine you've got files all over your computer, photos, PDFs, or maybe school assignments, and you want a really quick way to sync them to the cloud. As long as you have the OneDrive Sync app installed, you can use Windows File Explorer for this. Just open File Explorer. The quick way is pressing Windows key +E. On the left side, you'll see a folder labeled OneDrive or OneDrive Personal. That's your personal cloud drive mapped directly to your computer. Now find the file or folder you want to upload. Maybe it's on your desktop or in your downloads. Simply drag it into the OneDrive folder in File Explorer's navigation pane. As soon as you drop it there, OneDrive gets to work syncing it to your cloud storage. Sometimes this part takes a few moments, depending on file size and your internet connection. Don't worry if you see a blue syncing symbol for a bit. The checkmark appears once it's safely uploaded. Finally, let's say you're on a different computer or you prefer working in your browser. You can save files to OneDrive straight from the website or the app. Just open your web browser and navigate to the OneDrive website or launch the mobile OneDrive app. Once you're in, look for the Upload button, usually right near the top. Click Upload and you'll get the choice of files or folders. Pick what you want, then locate it on your computer, select it, and hit Open. OneDrive will upload everything for you. This is great if you're transferring files from a public or shared computer. No need to install anything, just upload and you're done. And just like that, you've got not one, but 3 solid ways to save your files to OneDrive, keeping your data safe and accessible wherever you are. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if anything was unclear or if you have a question, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Happy saving!